You started Ozempic, or you're thinking about it because you're ready for change. You want real results. But here's the hidden truth. Ozempic alone won't do the work for you. In fact, if your food choices don't evolve with the medication, you might be silently destroying your own progress. Fatigue, brain fog, nausea, digestive issues, even muscle loss, these symptoms aren't just side effects. In many cases, they're the result of eating the wrong foods at the wrong time in a body that's functioning very differently now. This isn't about dieting harder or eating less. It's about eating smarter. Today, you're going to learn what to eat, what to avoid, and how to support your body through this transformation. We'll break down the biggest mistakes people make, reveal the nutrition strategies that truly work, and help you feel in control again. Energized, strong, and clear-headed. And no, you won't have to give up flavor, pleasure, or your social life to get there. Ozempic changes everything. It slows gastric emptying, reduces appetite, and alters the way your gut and brain communicate. But this isn't just about feeling less hungry. It's about how food now interacts with your metabolism, your hormones, and your nervous system. Before Ozempic, your body was used to quick energy sources, maybe even processed carbs or frequent snacking. Now that same routine can cause bloating, reflux, and nausea. Worse, it can starve your body of essential nutrients because you're simply eating less. That's where the danger begins. Under-eating protein, skipping meals, and failing to adjust your hydration can lead to muscle breakdown, slower metabolism, and even hormonal imbalances. If you're using Ozempic and still eating like you did before, you're not giving your body what it needs to function well. And without that support, the medication becomes just a band-aid, short-term help with long-term consequences. One of the most dangerous mistakes Ozempic users make is skipping meals, because the medication suppresses appetite so effectively. You might go all day with barely eating and think that's a win. But that's not fat loss, that's muscle loss, that's blood sugar instability. That's your metabolism slowing down to a crawl. Then there's the snack trap, grabbing small processed foods because they seem light and easy. Chips, crackers, sweet protein bars, lattes with sugar. They may be small in volume, but they're big in impact. They spike your insulin, crash your energy, and leave you even more depleted. Let's not forget the hidden sugar in healthy drinks, yogurts, granola, or sauces. Your body is more sensitive now, and sugar hits harder. Lastly, there's hydration. Ozempic often blunts your thirst. Many users become mildly dehydrated without realizing it, and the effects can be devastating. Headaches, fatigue, constipation, and confusion. All of this adds up until your results stall, and you're left wondering what went wrong. So what should you be eating? Think of your plate as a tool to protect your muscle, fuel your brain, and keep your gut balanced. Aim for every meal to include a lean protein source, chicken, turkey, tofu, eggs, Greek yogurt, combined with high-fiber vegetables like spinach, kale, broccoli, or zucchini. Add a healthy fat like avocado, olive oil, or nuts. Then finish it off with a small portion of slow-digesting carbs, quinoa, lentils, chickpeas, or sweet potatoes. This combination slows digestion in a controlled way, keeps blood sugar stable, and reduces the risk of nausea or crashes. Protein is non-negotiable. It preserves muscle, helps with fullness, and boosts metabolism. If you're not getting at least 80–100 grams of protein per day, your body will take it from your muscles, and that's the exact opposite of what you want. Eat every 3–4 hours. Keep meals small but balanced. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. When you feel strong, focused, and light, not weak or dizzy, you'll know you're eating in alignment with your body's new rhythm. Let's talk hydration, because water is the quiet foundation of your entire transformation. Ozempic slows your thirst signals, so you may not feel like drinking, but your body desperately needs it. Dehydration leads to constipation, kidney strain, poor nutrient absorption, and lower energy. You want at least 2-3 liters of water per day. Start your morning with a full glass before anything else. Carry a water bottle with you and refill it as a habit. Add lemon or cucumber for flavor, or a pinch of sea salt if you're feeling lightheaded. Herbal teas, coconut water, or electrolyte mixes without sugar are great options. Just avoid diet sodas or sugary drinks that dehydrate you further. And here's a tip: the next time you feel hungry, try drinking first. Often, it's not hunger, it's just your body asking for hydration in disguise. Protect your hydration, and you'll notice better digestion, clearer skin, more stable moods, and fewer cravings throughout the day. Now let's make this real and sustainable. You don't need a complicated meal plan or a chef. You need structure. Choose 5 go-to meals for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Rotate and repeat. For breakfast, a protein smoothie with chia, a veggie omelet, or Greek yogurt with berries. For lunch, a quinoa bowl with grilled chicken, a big leafy salad with tuna, or lettuce wraps with ground turkey. Dinner can be as simple as stir-fried veggies with shrimp, baked salmon with roasted broccoli, or zucchini noodles with turkey meatballs. Snack smart: hard-boiled eggs, hummus with carrots, cottage cheese, or apple slices with nut butter. Prep your meals on Sundays. Keep protein sources ready to go, and avoid relying on food delivery when you're tired. Create an environment that makes healthy choices easier than unhealthy ones. Keep healthy snacks at eye level. Put a hydration reminder on your phone. And check in with how you feel after every meal. Is your energy up? Digestion smooth? Mood balanced? That feedback is gold. Use it to refine, not restrict. If you're on Ozempic, you've already made a powerful decision. But the work doesn't stop there. Medication is a tool, but food is your foundation. How you eat determines how your body adapts, how you feel day to day, and whether this change becomes a lasting transformation or a short-lived phase. This is your chance to build strength, stability, and self-trust. You don't need to obsess. You need to nourish, protect your body. Respect your signals. Choose meals that energize and restore you, not drain and confuse you. And remember, you're not in this alone. If this video helped you, share it with someone on the same journey. Hit that subscribe button for more science-based, heart-centered tips made for women just like you. Because when you eat with intention, you don't just lose weight, you gain power. Let's make this transformation real. Let's make it last.